club and the television your body. Say you don't know, say the thing where you carry, pretty till it's somebody. Hey, I'm your fellow bar, say baby why they call me. Hey, I don't need shower, but it's cool, I'm making love. Spadex on glue. Guys, we just arrived at the beach. The beach are always good vibes. The girls are chittering and chattering, but we are at the beach. Oh my gosh, birthday girl. Who is paying? Guys, I'm on a time. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Hey guys, you for shocked to see me. I've been free from the shock of the series. We're going to surprise our friends.
Yeah.
We're right now, we're at Alice's house.
Yeah.
Hi,
I'm about
Erry.
to surprise her. No, where's Alma? I'm vlogging. Tell her to come by herself.
Alma, Erry is vlogging. He said you should come.
How fun, Guys, we've surprised the first surprisee.
Very successful.
And now, who is the next victim, Swanky? Molly's the next victim.
Yes, Molly. Hi, Molly. We're coming to you.
Why are you recording me? Whose phone is that?
Yeah, right.
Exactly, but like I was like, stop smiling. Yesterday, Erry was like, oh yeah, I'm like, somebody is going to shop, and I'm like, it's somebody that's not been showing up at my house. So like, if either person is around, or you suck in a pack.
I don't know what I was expecting, I swear. Like, at some point I was like, has going to come back? And I was going to come back and they want to surprise us. Like, going to want to surprise us. I was like, what is Erry planning?
We're about to surprise Gogo. Come get the gates, come get the gates, come get the gates.
Everybody should wear clothes. You guys should still be surprising. I don't know. Please, I don't know. Wait for you 100 hours. You just did what for what? We go come on, leave you.
Like, also the fact that so it took you all that time to just wear this robe. Now wait till take you to, oh, she did bath.
No, I was walking now.
We did come out.
Okay.
2 portions of rice and 2 portions of fried rice and 2 portions of jollof rice. Abi, with 1 turkey, yeah, it's okay for me like that.
I thought you went.
1K. Which one did you get? Did you get the banana?
Yeah.
How much did you get?
5.
For 500.
Yeah.
Give me 500.
Pen Elijah David.
So which one are you getting?
200.
Take now.
How many should I get? Do you want? Sure you don't want.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll just get the banana instead.
I've sent it to.
Where do you gym?
Ultra Fit.
Oh, that's where we are going to. That's all right. How much is that? Give me apple. Hi guys. We are going to play basketball.
Get the weights in.
Get, that sporty exercise in. We just finished buying fruit. Adara said she's intermittent fasting, whatever that means. So she's not eating fruit.
You're intermittent fasting too.
But I
don't like the fruits. Like banana and they're so boring. I wanted
strawberries.
I wanted pineapple, but pineapple wasn't peeled, and I don't want to go through that stress. So.
Well, she's going to have to eat something because I know that very soon that stomach is gonna
stay active till after the game, so that.
But
I
fruits
can win.
keep you active, bro. Fruits will give you that energy.
Banana wouldn't.
It will.
Buy biscuits.
I can't buy you 500 naira biscuits.
But you bought fruits for 500. That was 5 pieces of banana.
Yeah, eat that. It's healthier for you. You're the one that is raving about intermittent fasting. You don't want to eat some.
This is.
I'm sure you don't want to spike your glucose level. Nope. I'm sure you don't want to spike your glucose level this early in the morning. So I mean your insulin level.
Now it will be later on after the game.
We just got here. We're about to check in. They treat this facility like it's one high security facility like that. Well, yeah.
I don't get it.
What's all the protocol for? Guys, I was expecting an indoor court. First impression is an outdoor court, and there's no place to sit down with. I thought it would be audience place to sit down. Anyways, we got water for everyone. It's really cold. Adara is sitting, and I think I'm about to munch on my snacks, my fruit snacks. Do the review. Let's do. It's so what? You won't drink the milk like that?
She bought biscuits also.
What's up now?
Erry, stop recording me.
Alma.
It's me.
You get share
Alma.
I'm saying bring tripod, bro.
I'm sorry, said that again.
The shirt is purple.
It's me, Alma, on the basketball court. So y'all better look out.
Period. Period.
What's up? I'm Albert Demetrius. I'm a college.
Guys. Oh, yeah, let's go again.
Hi, my name is Albert Demetrius. I'm 18 years old and I'm trying out for college basketball. Vote for me so I get a free scholarship.
Hi guys, it's Nadara. Quick shout out to my teammate Danielle Antai. She's not here, but she went through this journey with me, and I'm glad to represent both of us.
Everything intact.
So guys, who they touch me? Hi guys, it's Molly on the court. So I'm just coming from my morning exercise. That's why I'm not my basketball fit, but trust me, LeBron James. James, I know what I said.
She's Jane. Guys, I was 14 years old when I had a knee problem. If not, by now I'd have been playing with the Lakers. So I'm just here to play with these people that know nothing about this game, the game of love and passion. So anyways, let me just see what I can do with them. I don't know. I'm Erry, by the way.
No.
Erry Dixon.
No.
Watch out for me.
carrying this team on my back. I scored a 3-pointer. But like, I cannot be a one-man team. It's supposed to be a team. My teammates, I don't know, I think I have to switch.
I'm carrying this team on my back. Chas is holding the ball and then she's just keeping it and she wants to score from every angle. Bro, pass the ball. Pass the ball, guy.
I scored a goal. 3 points. This is why women don't support each other. Women never support each other.
I don't even think Oli is even in this game at all. Like,
I literally tickled my opponent for the ball.
She tickled me, you guys.
I tickled my opponent for the ball. These people don't even mark confessing to a foul. I don't care. These people don't mark the ball. I mark the ball for them. I don't like this shit.
We're playing tennis now, apparently. Like this tennis, we're supposed to pay 3,000 to play, but he was so kind to let us play for free. So that's what we're doing. I'm doing the ball picker job, picking up balls for these niggas. Step back. Wait. Guys, Alma and I just finished from the gym. Time for breakfast at Chicken Republic. I was wondering if Chicken Republic can have like healthy options.
like so, never be here.
So let's see. First time trying Chick-Whiz.
Yeah, we're going to rate it
from 1 to 10. Yeah, this is my third time.
my first time. So, time for the taste test. This is what it looks like.
What do you think?
I feel like mayonnaise is a bit too much. Yeah, mayonnaise is a bit too much.
But
aside that, I think it's okay. I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.